Add a cube to the scene. Select the cube and enter modeler mode. Switch to the right view. Move the cube above ground level. Add another cube. Move and scale the cube. Shape it like a cover for the box. Exit to scene mode. Add a frame object to the scene. Select the frame object and enter modeler mode. Add a cube as a reference object. Switch to the front view. Move the frame to cover the box. In point edit mode, rect select the inner points and scale along the XY axis. Next, scale and reposition the frame. Return to polygon edit mode. Deselect all polygons. Use the knife tool to cut along the center of the frame. Select the bottom point, scale, and align it with the reference object. Switch to perspective view and polygon edit mode. Clear all selections. Duplicate the object. Rotate the clone 90 degrees. Next, add another cube. Scale and reposition the cube. Place it on top of the frame. Exit to scene mode. Add a pentagon to the scene. Now, make a ribbon out of this pentagon. Enter modeler mode. Add the frame as a reference object. Switch to the right view. Rotate the object 90 degrees. Scale along the Z-axis. Reposition the object. Next, select the side polygon and delete it. Repeat for the other side. Switch to point edit mode. Rect select the side points and tap on the Make Poly button. A new polygon will be created. Flip the polygon so it faces outward. Repeat the last process to create another polygon. Check the polygon faces. Switch to Poly Edit mode. Select both faces and apply an inset. Make some adjustments. Apply Poly Bridge to create a hole. Switch to the right view and rect select both side polygons. Apply Smooth Shift and switch to Scale mode. Scale along the Z-axis and bring out new polygons. Deselect all and switch to the front view. In Point Edit mode, apply edge creases. Now, adjust the points so it shapes like a ribbon. Using the scale, rotate, and move tools. Finally, switch to perspective mode and preview. In Poly Edit mode, deselect all and mirror along the x-axis. Return to Scene mode. Now let's set edge creases for the remaining two objects. Make some polygon adjustments here. In Point mode, set the edge crease value to 2.0. Repeat the same process again. Finally, set the subdivision level to 4 for all objects. Assign colors to all objects. Add a floor to the scene. Reposition and scale it up. Save the project. Long press the perspective button to switch to orthographic view. Reposition the view. Render the scene. Wait until the noise levels are low. Press pause and save the image. That's all for today. Thank you for watching.